IEEE 802.11 is the standard used in Wi-Fi networks. The standard defines three access methods. The mandatory one using CSMA-CD, as we described before. The other one is using a version of CSMA-CD with request to send and clear to send signals, as I will explain shortly. And then there's an optional polling mode where the access point polls the terminal according to some list. In the CSMA version of 802.11, the user senses the channel for an amount of time called diffs and then sends its data. The destination waits a short amount of time called sifs and then sends an ARC. If the channel is busy, there's a binary backoff, just like in Ethernet. However, all other stations that hear the user start transmitting differ from accessing the network for a period called nav. The reason for this is that another station may not hear the acknowledgement of the destination and interfere with it, and we want to clear the channel for the acknowledgement message. This will become clearer in the next slides. To detect that the channel is idle, a user is waiting diffs amount of time. But since we don't want to have collisions like in one persistent CSMA, each user then waits a random number of slots before it starts transmission. This will avoid many collisions. However, if every time I'm listening to the diffs period of time and I'm losing the collision, I have to redraw the amount of time I'm waiting, it will cause some fairness issue. So a user remembers the countdown of the number of slots it needs to wait, and next time it senses the channel to be idle, it continues the countdown from where it stops. This way, no single user is keep waiting and losing the competition to other users.